Hi everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. Today in this video we'll learn ratio, a very important concept in mathematics. Now why do we learn ratio? Now suppose we want to compare the speed of a tiger and a man. Whose speed is greater? Certainly it is cheetah's speed or tiger's speed is greater. How many times? It is double? Is it triple? 4 times? 5 times? So for this we need the concept of ratio. We can compare speed of lion and tiger, lion and man, man and camel. Not only speed, we can compare weights, we can compare volumes, we can compare the age. So let us learn. Here we'll learn ratio and we'll solve some questions from R.S. Agarwal book. Let us begin. For fun, we have taken a lion and a camel, a man and tiger. They just start running. After 1 hour, we found that man has covered 20 kilometers, the camel 40 kilometers, lion 80 kilometers, and the speed of tiger is maximum, so it has reached 120 kilometers. So they have covered this distance in 1 hour. Now tiger runs at speed of 120 km per hour. So in 1 hour it will go 120 km. Lion runs at a speed of 80 km per hour. So in 1 hour it will cover 80 km. And camel runs at a speed of 40 km per hour. So in 1 hour it has reached 40 km. And what about man? Here the slowest. So he has reached 20 km. So man runs at a speed of 20 km per hour. Tiger runs at a speed of 120 km per hour. Now speed of tiger, if we compare, is 6 times the speed of man. Because 120 is equal to 6 times of 20. So speed of tiger is equal to 6 times of speed of man. Now we write ratio of speed of tiger to speed of man is 6 to 1. 6 is to 1. So this is the meaning of ratio. When we compare two quantity, we use the word ratio in mathematics and we use the symbol semicolon. So ratio of speed of man to speed of tiger will be what? It will be 1:6. Man will be, speed of man will be written as 1 and speed of tiger is 6 times. So 1:6. Let us compare the speed of lion and tiger. Lion and tiger. How much lion has covered? 80 km. How much tiger has covered? 120 km. So lion runs at a speed of 80 km per hour. Tiger runs at a speed of 120 km per hour. So ratio of speed of lion to speed of tiger is 80 is to 120. So when it is 80 is to 120, we have to write in lowest form. That means we can cancel with the common factor. I can cancel here 80, I can cancel with both the term 40. 40 2 times, 43 times. So it will be 2:3. Let us compare speed of camel and tiger. Now I hope you can do yourself. Ratio of speed of camel is to tiger is 40:120. Camel has crossed 140 and this is your 120. It will be 40:120. So we will write in the simplest form 40 1 times 40, 43 times 120. So ratio of speed of camel to speed of tiger is 1 is to 1 is to 3. Let us compare speed of camel and lion. Camel and lion. Camel is 40 and lion is 80. So ratio of speed of camel to speed of lion is 40 is to 80. Now you can make in lowest term. So it will be how much? It will be 1 is to 2. I can cancel 40 one time and here 40 two times. So ratio of speed of man to camel to lion. Now I am taking 3. Man, camel and lion. Man is 20, camel is 40 and lion is 80. So 20 is to 40 is to 80. So I can cancel with common factor, that is 20. So we write 21 times, 22 times, 24 times. So we write the ratio in simplest form. So ratio. Now camel to lion to tiger. Camel to lion to tiger. Camel is 40, lion is 80 and tiger is 120. So again, if I'll make it lowest, it will be 41 times, 42 times, 43 times. So it is 1 is to 2 is to 3. That means we can write the ratio for more than 2 numbers also. So not only the speed, we can compare heights, weights, marks, your examination marks, your and volume of the boxes, so many things by using the ratio. So ratio is very important concept. So let us start now doing problems based on ratios. So let us learn more about ratio. Ratio is the relationship between one amount and another. We can take suppose 1 rupee and your 10 paisa. You can make a relation. Similarly, 1 kg with your meter, kg with your gram, some gram, we can make a relation in this way. Ratio occur whenever comparisons are made. When we compare between two quantities, so 1 kilogram and 1 gram, we make a ratio, make a comparison. The ratio of A is to B can be written as A by B. Suppose I'll write ratio of 24 to ratio of 24 to 30. Then I'll write this is 24 is to 30, or this can be written as your 24 upon 30. Now ratio are usually reduced to lowest term to simplicity. For example, 24 to 30, it cannot be kept in this form. We have to make into lowest. How to make it? I'll divide this by greatest common factor. So 24 divided by 30, I'll go on cancelling with the greatest common factor. 24 and 30, the common factor is 6. So 6 4 times, 6 5 times. So the ratio will be 4 by 5 or 4 is to 5. Both are correct to write the ratio. Some more thing about the ratio. So let us take some examples. Suppose I'll write now ratio of, suppose we want to find the ratio of 1 kilogram to 250 gram. Then we have to convert these two quantities in one same unit. So I'll convert 1 kg into 1000 gram. Then I'll write the ratio. So 1000 gram will be written in the numerator and 250 will be in denominator. So it will be, you will cancel with the common factors. It will be 4 by 1. So the ratio is 4:1. Ratio is 4:1. Similarly, next is I am getting ratio of 100 meter to 2 kilometer. 100 meter to 2 kilometer. So yeah, I'll convert this to kilometer into 2000 meter. Then I'll write the ratio 100 is to 2000. So since it is a ratio, no need of unit, meter here. First, convert this to 1 unit, then no need of writing meter and meter, both the cases. So you'll have 100 by 20,000. So how much it will be? It will be 1:20. Ratio of 3 rupees 50 paisa to 25 paisa. We need this ratio. So I'll convert this rupees into paisa. It will be 350 upon your 25. Now cancel with 5. It will be 570 and 5. It will be 14:1. 14:1. So in this way we have to write. Next, about equivalent ratio. Equivalent ratio means the ratio which gives the same lowest value. For example, if I'll write your 16/24. So if I'll cancel with 8, it gives me 2/3. Similarly, if we'll write 8/12, how much it will the value? Again, the simplified ratio will be 42 times 43 times. It will be 2/3. 2/3. Next, if I'll take a ratio 20 upon 30, then if we'll simplify, it will be 2/3. So your 16/20, 8/12, 20/30, all the three on your simplification gives us 2/3. So these are called equivalent ratios. 16/24 is same as your 8/12 is same as your 20/30. Next is comparison of the ratio. Which one is greater, which one is smaller, or they are equal or not. Suppose you will write 2/3 and 3/4. Which one is greater? This ratio of 2:3 and 3:4. I have written in them in this is fraction form. Which one is greater, 2/3 or 3/4? Which one is greater? So I'm giving a simple trick to find which one is greater. Simple trick. What is it? Just you multiply 2 and 4. How much it is? 8. And then multiply 3 into 9. How much is 9? So write in the numerator 2 into 4 numerator and 3 into 3 in numerator. So which one is greater? This gives you 8 and this gives you 9. So 9 is greater. So I'll write 2/3 is smaller than your 3/4. And in the studying about this fraction, you know how to compare the fractions. You can go for the same method also. What is that method? The method is 2, this is 2:3, this is 3:4. Convert this in the same denominator. So I'll multiply 4 here, I'll multiply 4, here I'll multiply 3, and I'll multiply 3. So first one gives you 8/12. This gives you 9/12. So certainly 9/12 is greater than this. So your 3/4 is greater than 2/3. So in the question number 2, express each of the following ratio in simplest form. First, 75 paisa upon 3 rupees. You will convert this rupees into paisa. So it will be how much? 300. Now we cancel with, you can cancel with 25. 25 3 times your 75 and 25 here it is 12. Again you can convert into 3 1s are 3 4s are. So it will be 1 by 4. All right. 1 is to 4. Second, 1 meter 5 centimeter, 1 meter 5 centimeter and 63 centimeter. So first I'll make into centimeter, that will be 105. So it will be 105 upon 63. You can cancel with 7. 7 9 times and this is 7 1 5 times. So it is 15 by 9. Again you can cancel with 3. It will be 3 5 3 3. So ratio is 5 is to 3. Third one, 1 hour 5 minutes. 1 hour 5 minutes is 60 plus 5. That will be 65 minutes. So 65 minutes is to 45 minutes. So 65 upon 45. So first you have to convert into same unit. So it will be how much? You can cancel with 15. Sorry, 5 13 times 5 is your 65 and 9 times is your, so it is 13 is to 9. Now part 4 is your 8 months and 1 year. 8 months and 1 year, I'll write 12 months. So 8 by 12, how much it will be? I'll cancel with 4 2 times, 4 3 times. So this is your 2 is to 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, they are similar questions, so I have written 2 questions. Once you learn, you can do yourself. You can pause the video, you can write the answer yourself. A is to B is given 7 is to 5, B is to C is 9 is to 14. What is A is to C? So A by B is equal to 7 by 5. B ratio C is equal to 9 ratio 14. Then what is A ratio C? So it is very simple. What you will do? You multiply A ratio B and B ratio C. Why? Then only you will get A ratio C. This 2 will be cancelled. You can get A ratio C. So this will be 7 by 5 multiply 9 by 14. So you cancel this 7 and 14. 7 1, 7 2. So this ratio is 9 upon 10. So A by C is 9 by 10. Only write A is to C is equal to 9 is to 10. In the same way, you can do here. A ratio B is 5 by 8. B ratio C is equal to 16 by 25. So A ratio C is equal to your A ratio B multiplies B ratio C. So it will be 5 by 8 multiply 16 by 25. So cancel 8 2 times and 5 5 times. So this is 2 by 5. So A is to C is equal to 2 is to 5. Now question number 5. Yes, this question is a tricky question, and this question is asked in your entrance examination when people go for job interview. This question is asked. So A ratio B is equal to 3 by 5 and B ratio C is equal to your 10 is to 13. 10 by 13 I can write, B by C I can write. I get A ratio B ratio C. So I'll write the procedure, how to do it. Then I'll go for a shortcut method to find how people do in the examination when time constant is there. So what you do, you see what is B. B is 5 here and B value is 10 here. So we will make 5 and 10 same, equivalent. How to make equivalent 5 and 10? You take LCM of it. LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. So I'll make B in both the case at 10. So A by B is equal to 3 by 5. To make B as 10, I'll make equivalent fraction, equivalent ratio by multiplying 2 and 2. So I'm getting 2 by 6. So A is to B is now your 2, 6 is to 10. Now come to your B by C. B by C is 10 by 30. So I'll write B is to C is equal to 10 is to 30. Now in both the cases you are getting 10, 10 equal. So now our problem is solved. What? The A ratio B ratio C is equal to 6 ratio 10 ratio 30. So this is the answer of this question. Now I am writing using a short method. Shortcut trick. What is it? You write A is to B is equal to 3 is to 5 and B is to C is equal to your 5 is to, how much? 10. 10 is to 30. Then I'll write A is to B is to C is equal to, first you multiply 10 into 3, it will be 30. Then you multiply 10 into 5, it will be 50. Then you multiply 5 into 13, how much? 65. Then you cancel this ratio with common factor, greatest common factor. What is it? It will be, greatest common factor will be 5. So 5 6 times 30, 5 10 times your 50, and 5 13 times gives you 65. So this is the answer. Within a second you can do it. You can pause the video, you can try the next one. A is to B is equal to 5 is to 6 and B is to C is equal to your 4 is to 7. So I'll write A is to B is to C is equal to, first 5 multiplies 4, 20, then 6 multiplies 4, 24, then multiplies your 6 multiplies 7. It will be 42. Now cancel with a common multiple. It will be 4, no, it will be 2, 2, 10, 2, 12, 2, 21. So this is the answer of this. 6, 7, 6 times of 7 is 42. Yes, 42. Can it be cancelled with anything? No. 10, 12, 21. Next is question number 7. Now, word problems, or we say story sum, divide 360 between Kunal and Mohit in ratio 7 is to 8. So the ratio is 7 is to 8. That means what is the total amount, or what is the whole amount? Total is equal to 7 plus 8. That will be 15. So Kunal shares is equal to 7 by 15 of 360. Because out of 15 he is getting 7. or out of 360, how much you will get. So it will be 7 by 15 into 360. You cancel 15 with 360. It will be how much? 2, 4. Now you multiply 24 7 times. It will be 168. Then your Mohit shares 8 by 15 of 360. So again it will be 8 into 24. 192. Or you can just subtract 168 from 360. Divide 880 between Rajan and Kamal in ratio 1 by 5 is to 1 by 6. This is fraction, this is not whole number. To convert this into whole number, what you will write? Multiply 30 in the numerator. So this will be 30 by 5 is to 30 by 6. But how I am getting 30? 30 is LCM of your 6 and 5. So it will be 6 is to 5. Or you can just take the reciprocal of this, you will get 6 and 5. Then what is the total amount? Total is equal to 6 plus 5, that will be 11. So what is how Rajan will get? Rajan share is equal to 6 by 5 multiplies your 880. How much it is? Sorry, very sorry, 6 by 11. It will be 6 by 11. Why 6 by 5? It will be total is 11. 6 by 11. Then you cancel 880 with 11, so you will get 6 into 80. 8 times of 60 is equal to 480. Now you can subtract 80 and 480. So it will be how much? 400 is your common share. So this is rupees. This is also rupees. You can write the statement now. So Rajan gets rupees 480 and Kamal gets rupees how much? It will be 400. Question number 9. Divide 5,600 between ABC in ratio 1 is to 3 is to 4. So what is the total amount? Total parts is 1 plus 3 plus 4. It will be 8. So A gets 1 by total 8 of 5600. It will be rupees 700. B part is 3. So 3 ratio 8 of your 5600. It will be 3 into 700. Because you will cancel, it will be 700 only. So it will be 2100. B gets. Now C gets how much? 4 upon 8 into 5600. Again you divide 700. It will be rupees 2800. You can write the statements now. So A gets this much. A gets rupees 700. B gets rupees 2100 and C gets rupees 2800. What must be added to each term of the ratio? 9 is to 16. Make the ratio 2 is to 3. What number should be added? So when question is asked, what should be added? What is these things? We take the help of x. Let the number be x. Then we'll frame the equation and you will solve for x using your linear equation concept. So let the number added be x. Added to what? To each of the term 9 by 16. So now ratio was 9 by 16. And for each term means 9 is one term and 16 is another term, and for both of them I added x. Now this new ratio becomes 2 by 3. 2 is to 3. Now how to solve it? We'll apply cross multiplication. What is it? Cross multiplication method is 3 will be multiplied with 9 plus x and 2 will be multiplied with 16 plus x. Then do the multiplication. 9 times 3 is 27. 3 times of x is 3x. That means when I multiply 3 into 9 plus x, that means I am doing 3 into 9 plus 3 into x. So this will be 27 plus 3x. Similarly, here 2 into 16, 32, 2 into x, here 2x. Now all x I'll take left side and numbers right side. So 2x will be shifted here and it will become negative. 32 and 27 will shift to right side. It will also become negative. When they change the side, their signs are changed. Or x is equal to how much? 32 minus 27, x is equal to 5. So write the statement. So 5 must be added to each term. 5 must be added to each term. I hope you have finished. To each term to make ratio 2 is to 3. Question number 11. What number must be subtracted from each term of the ratio so that ratio becomes 7 is to 15? So there it was added, now it is subtracted. What number? Same number. What is the number? Number is x. And what is the ratio? This is 17 by 33. Here that x will be subtracted from this and it will become 7 by 50. So let the number be subtracted be x. Then according to the question, this is according to the question, 17 minus x upon 33 minus x subtraction is equal to 7 by 50. Now what next? Cross multiplication. No need of writing the cross multiplication when you are solving the problem, because this is a process to make you understand. I have written. You can write simply. You can write 15 into 17 minus x is equal to 7 into 33 minus x, or 15 into 17. 15 7 times 105. 15, this should be your 205. No, sorry, 255. This will be 255. You can do yourself. This will be 255. It will be, you can write yourself 255. 255 minus 15x is equal to, now 7 into 33. 7 3 times 33 is 21, carries 2. This will be 2, 3, 1. Minus 7 into x. This will be 7x. So again I repeat, 15 into 17 to 55. 15 into x minus 15x. So take care of the symbol also, whether negative or positive. Then you go for the second line. Then I'll take the all x to left side. So minus 15x plus 7x. And here I'll write 231 minus 255. Or I'm getting minus 8x is equal to, subtract 255 to 31. It will 5 minus 1, 4. And this will be 2. And it is also negative. Or 8x is equal to 24. Or we are getting x is equal to 24 division 8. That will be 3. So 3 is the answer. 3 must be subtracted. 3 is to be subtracted to get ratio. To get ratio, your 7 is to 15. Question number 12. Two numbers and ratio 7 is to 11. 7 is added to each of the number, the ratio becomes 2 is to 3. So here ratio is given 7 is to 11 and 7 is added to in both the cases. So you are not taking x. We will take this as multiple of x. When it is ratio is equal to 7 by 11, I'll take, let the numbers are. Let the numbers are. One is 7 times of x and another is or 11 times of x. Then 7 is added to both. So 7 is added to 7x, it is 7x plus 7. 7 is added to 11, then 11x plus 7. Now this ratio is 2 is to 3. Ratio of these two has become how much? 2 is to 3. And we have to, what we have to find? We have to find x, we have to find 7x, we have to find your 11x because these are the two numbers. So let us write in ratio form. 7x plus 7 by 11x plus 7 is equal to 2 by 3. Then cross multiplication, or 3 times of 7x plus 7 is equal to 2 times of 11x plus 7. Or what you are getting? 21x, 3 into 7x plus 3 into 7, 21 is equal to 2 into 11, 22x plus 2 into 7, that will be 14. Or 21x minus 22x is equal to 14 minus 21. Or you are getting minus x is equal to minus 7. Or x is equal to 7. But this is not the answer. Answer is you have to get the numbers. One number is 7x, one number is 11x. So one number is 7x, 7 into 7, that will be 49. And other number is 11 times of x. So 11 into 7, that will be 77. So the numbers are 49 and 77. Question number 13. Two numbers are in ratio 5 is to 9. Two numbers are in ratio 5 is to 9. On subtracting 3, now we are subtracting 3 from each, the ratio becomes 1 is to 2. Find the numbers. I hope you have understood. You can write yourself, pause the video, solve it and check whether you have done correct or not. So what I'll write? I'll write two numbers and ratio 5 is to 9. Let the numbers be. 5x and 9x. Then I'll subtract 3 from 5x, it will become 5x minus 3. I'll subtract 3 from 9x, it will become 9x minus 3. And now the ratio will become 1:2. So 5x minus 3 ratio 9x minus 3, it becomes 1:2. So cross multiply, 2 times of 5x minus 3 is equal to 1 time of 9x minus 3. Or you are getting 10x minus 6 is equal to 9x minus 3. Take x left side, 10x minus 9x is equal to minus 3 plus 6, or you are getting x is equal to 3. Is this answer? No. Answer is you have to find 5x. 3 into 5, 15. We'll get 9x. 3 into 9, 27. So the numbers are 15 and 27. Question number 14. Two numbers are in ratio 3:4. If the LCM is 180, find the numbers. Two numbers are in ratio 3:4. LCM is 180. So let the numbers be 3x and 4x. Then what is LCM of this? LCM of 3x and 4x is equal to 12x. How? 3x means 3 into 1, 4x. 4x means 4 into x. So if you will find LCM, first you take the common factor, that is x. Now 3, now 4. So it will be 12x. So 3x and 4x is 12x. So 12x is equal to 180. Now find x. X is equal to 180 division 12. It will be 15. Is it answer? No. Answer will be what? Answer will be 3x and 4x. So find 3 times of x. It will be 15 into 3, 45. Find 4 times of x. It will be 15 into 4. It will be 60. So the numbers are 45 and 60. Next, question number 15. The ages of A and B are in ratio 8:3. 6 years hence, the age will be 9:4. Find their present age. 6 years hence. 6 years hence means after 6 years. So after 6 years, the ages is increased by 6. Age of everybody increases by 6. That means if the ratio was 8:3, and if we add 6 to it, it is becoming 9:4. So we'll start the answer. Let age of A, age means which age? Present age. Let present. Now, present age of A be 8x and of B be 3x. Then after 6 years, A will be 8x plus 6 and B will be 3x plus 6. Next, their ratio will be 8x plus 6. Ratio 3x plus 6 will be 9:4. So 8x plus 6 upon 3x plus 6 is equal to 9/4. Or cross multiply 4 times of 8x plus 6 is equal to 9 times of 3x plus 6. Now multiply, it will be 32x, 8 into 4, 32x, plus 4 into 6, 24, is equal to 9 into 3, 27x, plus 9 into 6, 54. Or take x left side, 32x minus 27x is equal to 54 minus 24. Or 5x is equal to 20, or x is equal to 4. So is it answer? No. Answer will be how much? 8x. Age of A is 8 into 4, 32 years old. And B will be 3 times of x, 3 into 4, 12 years. The ratio of copper and zinc in an alloy is 9.5. If weight of copper is 48.6 in gram, find the weight of zinc in the alloy. What is an alloy? Alloy is a mixture of metal. Alloy is a mixture of metal. Here copper is there and zinc is also there. Now they are in ratio. Copper is to zinc is equal to 9:5. And it is given that copper is equal to 48.6. How much will be zinc? We have to get the zinc. So let the zinc is x. Let the amount of zinc is x gram. That means ratio of copper and zinc would be 48.6 upon x. This will be how much? This is 9/5. I hope you can get the x now. Or 9 times of x is equal to 48.6 multiplies 5. How much is x? X will be 48.6 into 5 divided by 9. So I'll divide here. Don't multiply and get a big number. You can cancel in this fraction form. 48.6 if you divide with 9. 48.6 divided with 9. 9 5s are 45. 3.69 4s are. So it will be 5.4 into 5. 5.4 into 5 is equal to 270. So, 27.0 gram. So, weight of zinc is 227 gram. Next question, the ratio of boys and girls in a school is 8:3. The total number of girls is 375. Find the number of boys. How to find? If you cannot find, let it be x. Let number of boys be x. Then boys ratio girls is equal to 375. Boys will be x. Boys is not 375. This will be x by 375. This is equal to how much? This is 8/3. Or You take x by 375 is equal to 8 by 3. Now cross multiply, or 3 times of x. We always keep x left side. 8 multiplies 375. Then what will be x? X will be 8 into 375 upon 3. Cancel 3 with 375. We get 125. 125 multiplies 8, it will be 1000. So number of boys is 1000. Question number 18. The ratio of monthly income to the savings. That means monthly income is getting this much, and savings means is depositing this money in ratio 11:2. If the savings is 2,500, find the income and the expenditure. So we'll take as x. Let income and expenditure, because after income and expenditure one can save, is equal to x. Then income and expenditure, its ratio to savings is equal to how much? It will be x upon savings is 2500. This is equal to, according to the question, it is 11 by 2. I hope you can do now. So 2 times of x is equal to 11 multiplies 2500, or x will be how much? 11 into 2500 by 2. So this will be 11 multiplies 1250. If we multiply, it will be 0, it will be 5, 7, 3, and how much? Let us multiply once. 125 into 11. 5, 11, 125, 125. 5, 7, 3, 1. So this is the income and expenditure. So income and expenditure is rupees 13750. Now question number 19. A bag contains 750 rupees in form of a rupee, 50 paisa and 25 paisa coins in the ratio 5:8:4. Find the number of coins of each type. That means the some amount of rupees coin was there, 1 rupee coin, 50 paisa coin and 25 paisa coin in ratio 5:8:4. So we can take as 5x, 8x, 4x. So let 1 rupee coin where how much? 5x. Let number of 50 paisa coin is equal to 8x, and number of 25 paisa coin is your 4x. Then we'll calculate money from it. 1 rupee, it is 5x, 50 paisa, there are 8x, and 25 paisa, there were 4x. So money from rupee coin, 1 rupee coin is rupees 5x. Each carries 1, so it is 5x. Money from 50 paisa coin will be 8x by 2 because 2 50 paisa make you a rupee. So it will be 4x. And money from 25 paisa is equal to 4x by 4 because 25 paisa makes a rupee. So it will be only x. Now total amount money is 750. So according to the question, 5x plus 4x plus x makes you 750 rupees. Or on simplification, this gives you 10 times of x is equal to 750. Or x is equal to 75. Now, how many 1 rupee coin? 1 rupee coin is equal to 5x. So it will be 5 times of 75. So it will be 375 number of 1 rupee coins were there. And 50 paisa coin is equal to 8 into 750. 8 into 750. So how much? 8 5s are 40, carries 4. It will be 600. Next is 25 paisa coin. It is how many? 4x. So 4 times of 75. It will be 300. So this is the answer. Let us verify whether I am getting 750 rupees or not. So first is 375 from rupees, and there are 650 paisa coin. So this gives you 600 by 2. It will be how much? 300. This is 375 rupees, 300 rupees, and 300 coin, 25 paisa coin will give how many rupees? 75 rupees. So total, am I getting your 750 rupees? At this, yes, it is 750 rupees. So answer is correct. Question number 20. I hope you feel this very easy now because you have done so many questions. You have learned so many questions. So 4x plus 5 ratio 3x plus 11 is equal to 13 by 17. You can find yourself. You can check the answer only. 4x plus 5 is equal to 13 multiplies 3x plus 11, or 68x plus 85 is equal to 39x plus 13 multiply 11, 143. Or take x one side, take number one side, then how much it will be? 29x. How much the answer will be here? It will be 13 minus 5, 8. It will be 5. So 29x is 58, x is equal to 29. So keep on watching for next video because there we'll deal with proportions and we'll go for exercise next. Thank you for watching.